Hi, this is Jason Daniels, broker owner of RE/MAX Millennium, and today I wanted to go over a few key ways to market your open house to get more traffic. So there's a lot of new ways to advertise an open house. The days of putting an ad in the newspaper and just putting up signs aren't going to cut it anymore. So there's some things that I do with my team here at RE/MAX Millennium that has helped us increase our traffic. So you definitely want to advertise it online. There's a lot of places like Zillow, Realtor.com, even the local MLS allows you to advertise your house is open. And so you want to find all those free sites, advertise the open house, and put it there. Also, what we do is we'll actually send out, we usually do an open house when we have a new listing, we'll send an email out to the agents that have sold homes within that same zip code or MLS area, and inviting them and their clients to come to the open house as well. Another thing that we started doing is to advertise on Facebook. We do a little paid ad, and we'll put that out there as well to advertise the open house on Facebook. And then we encourage our team members to share that with their sphere on Facebook.50 one other step that we do is we will actually pick up the phone and we call the neighbors. We call the nearest 50 or 60 neighbors and invite them to the open house. And if we have time, instead of calling, we'll actually go knock on the doors and hand them a personal invitation to come to the open house. And sometimes we'll do a special time that we call it a private open house for neighbors only. And that gives you an opportunity to meet with the neighbors before the actual public is invited, so they can feel like they're getting insider access to the home. And the sellers that come to that, some of them are actually considering selling, and they want to see how you're marketing so they can hire a good agent. So not only are you getting traffic to your seller's listing, but you're potentially attracting other future sellers in the neighborhood. So that's a good way, especially if you're focusing on a farm, which there's another video on that. But if you have any specific questions about open houses or anything along those lines, please click the link below. I'd be happy to schedule a consultation or give me a call. But again, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.